Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be learning about writing an expository essay. We're also going to be learning about the writing process for an expository essay. The first step in the writing process is called pre-writing. And this is basically when you choose a topic and organize your ideas. So sometimes this looks like doing research and choosing a topic after doing your research, and then using a graphic organizer to organize your thoughts and ideas. The second step in the writing process is drafting. Drafting is when you write your ideas down. The third step in the writing process is called revising. Revising is when you make improvements to the ideas, organization, and style of your writing. The fourth step of the writing process is called editing. Editing is when you correct errors in grammar, spelling, and punctuation. And finally, the last step is called publishing or sharing. Publishing or sharing just means that you are sharing your completed work with others. So, let's review. The 5 steps of the writing process are pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing or sharing.